Hi, good evening. I just have a quick question regarding one item that we found. It's this one. I think Maynard made a comment that it is on stock at Walmart, and when I checked this one out, when I did a random check, it says it's already in stock, and I'm not sure why the comment here says can't compete, item is out of stock. Should we do like a routine checkup every morning or once a week to make sure that the items that were once out of stock are already in stock? Because I think this is a potential one since it has like 30% profit margin. Just a quick question whether or not there's a basis to this. Thanks.